Today, we talk about...
All right, done with these. On to the next box. Let's get it. Let's get in there. There we go. All right, another Nike product. Ooh, I've been looking forward to this one. But first, hope no one calls gunshots on us. Oh man, look at this box. Wow. So you get the Nike. Love the pull-out type box of size 11, of course. And look at that beautiful artwork, courtesy of Parra. Parra. Love this. And the accompanying video that Nike made for these was beautiful. That animation was crazy, and whoever was responsible for that animation, shout out to you, because that looked redonkulous. Anyway, now for the reveal. Ooh, yo, I'm like a kid in the candy store, man. These look like candy. Look how delicious this looks. Oh my Lord. Oof, wow, I'm so glad I changed my mind on these. I mean, bruh, just freaking look at this. Would you look at it? First of all, oh, yes. Second of all, the polka dots. I love that, especially the navy with the white. Oh my Lord, the candy striping. And then the bop of the white stitching. Oh my God, bruh. Ooh, and then that candy blue. And then the grommets with the matching. And then that mini swoosh. And then immediately below it, you get the bop. Wow. Bop, 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 bop. Hey, yo. And then this diagonal-ish, you would think way too much of a juxtaposition with these two, although this and this are a nice little corollary, especially with the little bop of pink right here and here. Also, this is supposed to signify the original Air Max 1 box style that came with these diagonal grayish issues on them. And then, of course, that classic Parra cherrywood type underlay, that underbelly of Air Max 1. So goodness. Oh, all these colors modeled out. I don't even know what else to say here, bro. This is just incredible. Wow. Simply incredible. So glad I got these. So glad I got them. Emotional. Also, bruh, before I forget, wow, look at this. The candy cane-ish lace tip aglets. Oh, lordy. Oh, and then don't forget, on this side it has the Parra signature, which if you had this on your pair of Amsterdams, you had a really rare hyperstrike pair. Anyway, also the artwork on the insoles is just loady. If you don't think sneakers are art after looking at this pair, I don't know what to tell you, cuz.
What it is, what it is.
What are those? Yeah, boy. These are a stunner, a official. I don't know what else to tell you. If you slept on these, you slept. You ain't woke. You ain't woke, kids. But these are definitely a pair you cannot wear dirty. And I rarely say that, but these will not look good beat up. So you got to keep these pristine. That's the one problem with these, but worth it.
With that said, let's keep it moving. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.